Malamang yan sa mga classic guys, classic girls, classic lady riders, classic riders. Matutuwa kayo dito. Hi, nice to meet you, bro.
I came with some friends, but on the highway everybody speed and thought everybody will take the Skyway. That's what is on the plan.
Yeah.
This is more than a month in the making, about 2 months in the making. Kasi we have to go big. Kasi syempre after 3 years, babalik natin yung Scrambler Day.
I think the best way for them to understand is just to try it. So yeah.
So for today's video guys, pupunta tayo ngayon sa BGC dahil in-invite tayo. Hindi lang ako in-invite guys, kundi tayo syempre. So isasama ko kayo sa lakad natin today. Yung time na hinaram natin yung Monster guys, that's the time din na dumating yung pinakabagong Scrambler dito sa Pilipinas. Actually diba nakita nyo, hinaram ni Nudge yung first in the Philippines na 0 kilometer. Siya yung una nakagamit after activation. So today kasi guys, yun nga, ilo-launch yung mga Scramblers. Malamang yan sa mga classic guys, classic girls, classic lady riders, classic riders. Matutuwa kayo dito. Hindi lang kayo matutuwa sa features, hindi lang kayo matutuwa sa itsura, pati sa presyo. Kasi for these prices, sobrang very affordable guys. For that price, you can own a Ducati. Tapos yung gusto nyo pang motor, di ba? Woo! Sarap, baby! Naalala ko tuloy yung pinanood ko kahapon, yung Gran Turismo. Napakagandang movie. Sino mga nakapanood dyan Kamix? From a simulator to a real racing, man. Tapos based on true story pa. Kasi talagang legit na nangyari siya. Sino mag-aakala na kaya makapag-racing ng isang gamer into real racing? Kasi alam naman natin na kahit simulator yung Gran Turismo, I mean, you know, close to realism. Siyempre isipin mo ba rin yung safety. Tapos siyempre iba yung actual talaga. Siyempre sa game di mo naman mararamdaman yung lula, yung G-force, yung bilis. Iba sa feeling yun eh. Tapos siyempre sa game, pagka nag-crash ka, makapag-restart ka. Ay sa real world, wala namang restart. Sobrang nakaka-inspire yung movie. Kunyari racing, di ba? Nag-simulate ka ng bike, nag-simulate ka ng kotse. Iba pa rin pagka in-actual mo siya sa racetrack. Sa mga di pa nakakanood guys, try nyo panoorin. Ang ganda. Swabe-swabe din. But yun, I'll be showing you ano yung mga nandun. Actually meron silang ano ngayon, parade, kumbaga motorcade from Ducati Manila, Ducati Clark and Ducati Alabang. Dapat sasama ako sa Ducati Manila, kaso may mga inayos pa ako. Alauna yung event, alauna yung mag-start ng motorcade. Past 1 na, so baka sabi ko, di na rin ako makapunta ng Alabang. And malapit na kasi sa akin tong BGC. Sabi ko, punta na, diretso na lang ako ng BGC guys. So very exciting guys to para sa inyo. Ang dami dito sa Pilipinas, sobrang natutuwa sa classic. Ang daming classic riders dito. Tapos baka ito na yung chance nyo na ano mo yun, na baka matripan nyo tong Ducati guys. Baka matripan nyo tong bagong Scrambler na lalabas. This is a swear, sobrang gaganda ng mga bagong labas sa Scramblers. Kumbaga perfect siya for city riding. Okay din naman sa long riding, although di ko pa siya na-test guys. Pero sabi naman nila, patest nila sa atin eh. Ako na kasi personally, hindi siya yung bike na for me eh. Alam mo naman tayo na medyo gusto sophisticated yung dating, diba? So that's why talagang hyper talaga ini-aim natin for upgrade if ever the 950. Actually makikita nyo na siya sa mga vlog ni Mistake, ni Nudge. Maraming variants na nilabas na actually, like full throttle, icon, mga ganon. Tapos kung makita nyo sa vlog ni Nudge, parang madaming pinapalitan, very customizable yung mga motor. Basta I'll be showing you the bikes later. For sure meron sila dong displays of yung bagong Scramblers. Tignan mo itong sasakyan na to guys. Ito yung isa sa mga consider kong kotse. Endutor dashing. Puking-puki ako dyan, promise. Para siyang Porsche yung likod or Huracan. Yung likod niya parang Porsche, pero yung harapan niya mukha siyang Lamborghini. Yung SUV ng Lamborghini. Tek, nalimutan ko. Para siyang ganoon. Tapos yung loob niya, nakapag test drive naman ako niyan. Sobrang ganda. Very minimalist. Kung tutuusin, medyo nadodominate talaga tayo ng mga China cars when it comes to technology and looks, features, diba? Talagang nababahiran lang ng yung China, ganoon. Mindset ng Pilipino, China China medyo hindi maganda ang quality, palaging nasa kasa, parang ganon. Pero kailangan talaga natin siyang itry para malaman natin Tsaka syempre that's why napaka-importante din ng mga feedback ng mga consumers para alam natin kung talagang maganda yung product, di ba? Sir, salute lang. Pero best na ako nakaka-encounter ng mga sundalo Ang mabait nila do, sumasaludo sila pabalik. Ibang iba yung response ng sports guys pagka naka traction control 0 pa ako. Ibang iba yung response ng engine tsaka ng throttle. Sobrang ramdam na ramdam mo yung bike. Pero syempre hindi advisable to pagka hindi mo gamay yung bike. Eto, ang tagal na sa akin, parang magto 2 years na sa akin to. Ano guys, kung di dahil kay Tech, hindi ko hindi ko mabibili tong Hypermotard kasi alam mo yun, number one, hindi ko masyadong alam tong bike na to kaya ako siya napili. Ito yung pinakamura sa listahan ni Julius sa Rosario Bike. Sabi ko kay Tek, tingin mo Hypermotard, goodie kaya? Sabi niya okay naman daw, lakas ng torque, ganyan, which is totoo naman. Mangiiwan lang daw talaga sa rektahan kasi that time, panay kami, sports bike, diba? So ako, makapag-upgrade lang from 700 and grabe naman yung total upgrade ng Yamaha to Ducati, diba? Tapos yun, simula nung ginamit ko siya, putik, mula na, parang ayoko nang bumitaw dito. Kaya malaking pasalamat din ako sa influensya nun ni Tech sa pagpalit ng motor. Pero at least diba, nadala naman tayo sa better bike, better brand. For me for me lang naman yun. Disclaimer lang yun. Marami nagtatanong sa akin about the maintenance. Yes, medyo if galing ka sa mga small bikes, malayo po ang maintenance nito sa maintenance nyo. But if you're from big bikes, hindi naman ganoon din kalayo. Basta alagaan mo lang sa change oil. Maraming misconception about Ducati Siyempre, of course, there will be a gap, pero hindi naman super layo. And like I said, if you're planning to buy this bike or this brand, dapat ready yung bulsa mo. Kasi siyempre mag-upgrade ka ng brand. Ducati is Ducati. Pero in fairness nga, sabi ko nga, hindi naman ako binigyan ng sobrang sakit ng ulo nito. Kasi nga, more on, ginawa kasi natin sa bike, hindi natin in-upgrade yung medyo yung appearance niya, but dun sa performance wise, sa maintenance wise, lagi ko sinasabi, diba, more on the prevention tayo ng pwedeng history ng bike, ganyan. And yun, awa ng Diyos, tuloy-tuloy pa rin umaandar ang ating Hypermotard ng suwabe, basta alagaan mo lang ng maintenance. So we're here at BGC guys. Ano daw tayo amphitheater, tama ba? Nakita ko naman na yung map, so kabisado na natin yan. GTR baby. Pogi naman ito. Parang matatanggal na yung plaka niya, pero mukha namang sadya. Uy, Hypermotard Parang may nangailangan ng tulong. Wait lang. Hi sir. What's up?
You're going to the event?
Yeah, going to the event.
You know where it is?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll follow you along.
Alright, let's go. So pupunta daw siya ng event guys. Di daw niya alam kung saan. Sakto doon naman tayo pupunta. Tsaka naka-Hypermotard siya guys. So tingnan mo naman. Para mag-arrive tayo sa event, may kapares tayong motor. Ganda ng livery niya guys So sa kanya guys, kung mapapansin mo, medyo mababa siya. I think it's a Hyperstrada or a Hyper 939.
Present nyo na lang paglabas nyo po mamaya. Present nyo na lang po sa exit paglabas nyo po.
Walang bayad?
Wala po.
Similar faces, familiar faces sa Ducati ride natin. Is this a 939? Hypermotard 939? Yeah.
only different, yeah, it's the oil.
Yeah. Oil cooler. And I think the height.
This one is higher.
Yeah, one's higher. 821. By the way, Miko.
It's on the way.
Nice to meet you, bro.
I came with some friends, but on the highway everybody speed and thought everybody will take the Skyway. That's what it's on the plan. And
Yeah. Where are you from?
Clark.
Oh, Clark. That's why. Pakita ko sa guys yung event. Karamihan wala pa yung iba. Kasi I think nagmo-motorcade pa nga sila, diba? So here at the event, guys. Ganda. Shout out to him. New friend. John.
Sorry? I guess we're the early bird. Fantastic.
Hi guys, so welcome to Scrambler Day Next Gen Tour Philippines. Yan. So syempre first off, register muna tayo. Ayun o si ate o. Hello po. Afternoon. Goodies from Ducati Scrambler. Medyo early bird tayo today guys, pero okay naman.
Come on.
How'd you know me? Oh, from TikTok.
Suotan natin yung Scrambler shirt natin guys. Dito sa part na to, i-park lahat ng Scramblers. Kasi nga, event to for Scramblers. So they have a special parking. Walang ba't pa ng goodies from Ducati.
Thank you.
Bagay.
Malay nyo, soon. Binibenta na natin yung CV500X. So, let's see.
Pakita ko sa inyo yung sinasabi ko sa inyo yung lineup ng bagong Scramblers. And I'll show you the prices. So here are the Ducati Scramblers Next Gen. So sabi ko nga sa inyo, it consists of 3 variants. The Next Gen Icon, the Next Gen Night Shift, and the Next Gen Throttle. Ito yung mga introductory price niya guys. Introductory price, so medyo magbabago-bago pa yan. So for the Icon, you'll get this for 670,000, Night Shift for 790,000, and the full throttle 790,000. So this one is the Icon guys, you know. Integrated na yung X niya dito. Usually, di ba, ano yan, aftermarket. So ngayon, integrated na. So yung Night Shift guys, I think ito yun, no? There. Nakita nyo ba? And for the full throttle, damn. Ito yung tinry ni Nudge. Bago activate lang guys. Hello Sir Tots.
I'm on live.
Yeah, hello.
Hi.
Sir Toti, CEO ng Ducati guys. Ikutan natin yung full throttle. Ang pogi. So for 790k guys, you'll get this Terminion exhaust na. And then quick shifter na rin siya and TFT display. Yan. Diba pogi? Sa mga nagbabalak mag-scrambler dyan, no? Perfect na tong model para sa inyo guys. Diba? Let's check who else are here. Of course, Gina Rufino, Miss Joy as well nandito. Boss Omi. Hello sir.
Thanks for coming.
Yan, no? Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
First, my manager. That's TJ and Maria. Bagong gupit ah. Nax. Here's the night shift guys. Ayun, malapitan. So here you can see the merch of Ducatis. Ito yung mga variants of colors na pwede sa Scrambler nyo guys. What's up brother Jello? Dito pala yung malulupit eh. What's up?
Happy Sunday everyone.
Yeah, no? Scrambler Day. Mama shoutout ka sir.
Shout out guys.
Yeah, no?
Right.
Ano motor natin?
Multi-strada.
Nice. Ganda. Check out the Scramblers guys. Scrambler owners.
Yung idol ko.
You know? GD rider oh. So like I said kanina, ano to, designated parking for Scramblers. From there to there. Brother, congratulations. Napakaganda ng event.
Pare, pawis na pawis. Buti na lang.
Kamusta ba kayo?
Yeah. See, I'm teaching Pare how to speak in Filipino. Pare, this is more than a month in the making. About 2 months in the making.
Yeah,
kasi we have to go big. Kasi syempre after 3 years, babalik natin yung Scrambler Day. So, alam mo yun, we have to go big. Especially may bago tayo mga models, yung mga next gen Scramblers.
Correct.
So, ila-launch natin. Tapos meron tayong guest from principal natin, si Valentino Salvioni, the area sales manager of Ducati in Asia. Pare, andito yung buong Ducati family. We have to make this big.
Correct. Yan no? Congratulations brother.
Congratulations sa yung HyperX.
Alright guys, so as you can see, concessionaires are being utilized. Wow, phone center utilized. Mayroon tayong ice cream, may mga hot dogs doon. Ito pala, fries, ice cream. Meron tayong milk tea, taho, coffee, ang dami. Ang lahat yun, no?
What is Scrambler Day? Ano bang meron today?
Since 2019, we all know what happened in 2020. But it is the first time that Scrambler Day is back here in the Philippines. But when you talk about Scrambler, as in the bike scrambler, it means that you can go on-road and off-road also because of the way the bike is set up and everything.
Have the agility and speed of a street bike as well as the off-road capabilities of a dirt bike. Scramblers provide an exciting, unique riding experience that's perfect for both on and off-road adventures.
I'd like to thank the Lord for our good weather. Imagine, we don't have to run, but this morning, we were all able to ride here. Ang dami-dami natin, from the north, Ducati Clark, the south, Ducati Alabang.
Nothing to say, green is all around in your country. Amazing. And there is no better bike than our Scrambler. It comes with 9 colors, which 3 are fitted from factory and 6 are additional optional.
The new generation of Ducati Scrambler is here.
It screams fun, it screams joy, it has all the makings.
Scrambler is actually 4 kilos lighter. Where did they take that out, Teach?
So they told us that some of it was in the engine, which has also been refined to be a little bit smoother and a little bit better electronics. And some of that was taken out in the swing arm. So as you guys can see in the new bike, they've completely changed the design of the swing arm.
I believe, Teach, it has a smoother engine as well. The Gear 1 and Gear 2 feels way much smoother.
Yeah. It was really so easy to ride.
Super easy.
I think it's so nice to ride, so much smoother, but still has the same torque and Ducati feel of the Scrambler generation since the first generation.
So Teach, you mentioned less heat. I believe this is about 20 to 30% less heat. What did they do to lessen the heat of the Scrambler?
Yeah, so one interesting technical point is that they've relocated the exhaust. So the old genuine bike had the exhaust right here, right beside your leg. So they moved that away, that's why we have the new swing arm, so it's a lot cooler bike. Overall, this bike was really good and I'm really excited for all of you guys to schedule a test ride with this. We have the same technology on the super bikes that we race on the track as we have here in this Scrambler. So we have ABS, we have traction control, anti-leaning, we have all of these electronics on this amazing little bike. So it's really the next gen Scrambler for everyone.
The Night Shift and the Icon. So can we show the price? The Icon is just 670,000. The Full Throttle and the Night Shift is just 790,000. Guys, sobrang ganda nito, Teach. Diba? Best buy.
I think the best way for them to understand is just to try it. So, yeah.
Alright everyone, Forza Ducati! Sama-sama?
Ayun, yun o.
Meron pa?
Can we call everyone, even the Ducati Philippines,
Okay, 1, 2, 3, Forza Ducati!
Super congratulations sa Ducati Philippines for a successful Scrambler Day. So yung nakita nyo kanina guys is ang event na yan is talagang for Scrambler. And nakita nyo naman yung mga bagong Scramblers and yung mga presyo ng Scrambler. Shoutout kay Mr. G tsaka kay Sir Randy. And ito yung mga bikes na naiwan guys, oh. Diba? So soon sana makatry tayo ng Scrambler din para may pakita ko sa inyo first hand. Shoutout sa lahat ng mga nag-attend. Shoutout sa mga nakakilala sa atin. Hindi ko pwedeng hindi pasalaman. Hello, sir. Shoutout kila kuya. Congratulations kay Renzo for pulling out this event. And sobrang daming pumuntang tao, daming pumuntang Ducatis, daming nag-support, nakakatuwa, di ba? Dito talaga sa BGC guys, pag mga ganitong oras makita mo ang daming tao kasi talagang nag-ano sila, ito yung time na namamasyal yung mga pamilya, magko-couple. Sunday is family day. So nakita nyo naman yung bagong Scrambler guys. So ano mo yun, sa presyo niya, very perfect siya sa mga beginners, for lady riders, as discussed by TJ kanina and Renzo. Sobrang baba lang nung bike. Sabi ni Miss Teggy, hindi naman nakaka-intimidate for lady riders, especially yung mga hindi nabihiyaan ng height. Kaya ano mo yun, you still get the confidence I think dun sa bike. Sobrang ganda nung introductory price niya for a 970K. And yung pinaka mababa nila is yung 670. Sobrang good din na nung price ng bike. Mas pina smoother, mas pina less heat, mas pina ganda yung engine performance ng Scrambler. So hindi ka na ma-stress ba if you're looking for a bike na that extends your personality. If you're a type of rider na or a person na chill ka lang talaga, ganyan, and Joforms lang ang datingan, not into speed, not into, you know, technical stuff, the next gen Scrambler would definitely a perfect bike for you. Yan lang naman sa akin. And kung hindi pa sapat tong video na to for the introduction of the next gen Scrambler, you may visit the nearest Ducati Philippines showroom, which is located in Clark, Alabang, and Katipunan, syempre. Yan lang naman ang ating video for today. So again, thank you very much to Ducati Philippines for inviting us dun sa kanilang Scrambler Day. Lahat nag-enjoy. Nakita natin lahat ng mga tropa nating influencers and medias. Soon, sana makatahi pa tayo ng mga bagong lalabas na bikes ng Ducati, di ba? Ang saya nun, men. Nakatry natin yung mga lumalabas na Ducati nila. And malay mo, di ba? Ano pangalan mo?
Joshua.
Joshua, shoutout. Ayan o, nakita tayo sa ano. Ayan o, hello po. Baka may shoutout kayo. Ayan o.
Shoutout everyday.
Ayan o, nakakatuwa yung mga ganyan. Nakita tayo sa kalsada. Simpleng shoutout lang, masaya na sila. Hindi nila alam, mas masaya ako pagka nangyayari yung ganito. It makes me, nabuboost yung aking confidence. Ingat kayo. Let's go. And that's it, guys. Dito ko na end yung video. Medyo mahaba-haba na itong video natin. And kung mabalik ka sa dulo, maraming salamat. At least napakita ko na i-share ko sa inyo ulit ng isa sa mga bago. And hindi tayo magsasawa na mag-share kung anong bago, diba? Bukod naman sa pagmumotor, masaya ako pag nakakapag-share ako ng mga bago sa inyo, diba? And maraming salamat syempre sa inyo, sa mga walang sawang tumatangkilik sa channel natin. Paalam na, and I'll see you for our next video. Peace out and baboosh.
Run it up outside. You can meet me on site if you wanna go outside. Talk cheap, pay the price. Run it up outside. You can meet me on site if you wanna go outside. Talk cheap, pay the price. I've been up no sleep. I'm a big dog. You ride with the sheep.